fine morning, we decided to visit Rohini Park, located in the eastern Himalayas on the way to Karsiang in Darjeeling district, West Bengal, India. We took our car and began driving through Khaprail road. Soon we came across a small river. As we resumed our journey, a few tea gardens caught our view. At the bifurcation, we turned rightwards. Now we are at Subhas Ghising Marg on the way to Rohini Park. After travelling for a few minutes, we reached Rohini Park gate. We are now entering Rohini Park. We are walking up to the park.
We have this beautiful lake here.
There is a shivling in the middle of the lake. The environment is so green and peaceful.
What a beautiful place.
As we walked around the lake, the hills and trees pleased our eyes. Then we began to hike up to a Shiva temple on the hilltop. Finally, we have reached the entrance to Shiva temple. The serene temple houses a large Shiva linga, the formless representation of consciousness. What a beautiful sight to behold!
It's so green.
We witnessed an impressive banyan tree. We then crossed a bridge and again began hiking to a place called the Lover's Point. Now we are at Lover's Point. Finally, it's time to go back. We left nothing but footsteps and took nothing but memories. How to reach there? The nearest airport is Bagdogra Airport. The distance of Rohini Park from the airport is 28.5 km and it takes about 43 minutes by car to reach there. The nearest major railway hub is New Jalpaiguri railway station. The distance from the station is 29.2 kilometers and it takes about 52 minutes by car to reach there. The distance from Shiliguri by road is 24.9 kilometers and it takes about 39 minutes by car to reach there. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe so that we feel encouraged to create more travel videos.